Hi, I'm Phil.
Hello, it's Bindi.
So we're here again. We're just doing a follow-up on our video from the other day. We wanted to show a taping technique that you can do at home. So the technique we used before was a little bit more technical, which is a really great technique, but both Bindi and I and our other podiatrists often have patients asking to do them at home. So I'll just hand over to you, Bindi, now to explain the benefit of this technique and how we do it.
Okay, so this technique is a lot easier because patients often just want to be able to tape their foot whilst they're at home or doing some sports to have some temporary relief. And yeah, it's basically just mimicking the structure. So in this case, the plantar fascia, which is a common injury, we just want to support that, mimic that structure. So depending on what's happening with the foot, usually because the foot is pronating and collapsing, that's where the plantar fascia is stretching. So what we want to do is just slightly bend the foot inwards so it relaxes the plantar fascia, and then we'll do the taping so that once the foot touches the ground, you've got that support there to hold up the arch basically. Okay, so I'll start off with a slimmer tape which goes on the outside. Okay. So this one, we start from the base of the big toe, the first metatarsal, just there, and then going down around the heel and up to the fifth metatarsal. Okay. Does that feel okay?
Yeah, good.
And then getting a slightly wider tape, we work across the foot. So we start on the outside and work in, stretching the tape. So start at the bottom, at the heel. So on the outside first, pull and stretch the tape, holding the foot, and then inwards. So you want to continue this all the way up to the base of the metatarsals, overlapping the tape by 1/3 or half. In this case, I'll do 1/3. It's quite tricky to do on yourself, so you will need to try and find someone to help you to do this. So anyone at home that sort of wants to practice their taping skills, get them involved. Pull. It's like it's creasing a little bit as I pull. It's going to feel really tight, isn't it?
That's good.
So as Phil mentioned in the previous video, it's better if you try to keep it dry because it keeps its rigidity. If you get it wet too much, it doesn't hold as well. It will last for a few days depending on how wet it gets and what you're doing. I'll stop there. You can always add on an extra 1 or 2 strips, and I'll just show you what it looks like all the way around. Okay, if you want to, you can place one over the top just lightly to stop it fraying on the ends, but otherwise that's the basic taping technique.
Perfect.
Okay.
So yeah, if you do have heel pain, comment below, and if you've tried this technique, let us know how you go with it. If you want any more tips, we can always get back to you or send you a message via Facebook if you like. So we're always willing to help with any advice you need to help you get back on track and to help live your life without foot pain. I reckon that's enough for today.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. See you later.
Bye.